It's Brooklyn's birthday today. I've been preparing for this surprise though for today. I'm gonna have a big reveal. We redecorated Brooklyn's bedroom. I'm going to show you her reaction. She's gonna be home from school like any minute, and I'm gonna let her see her room finally. She knows that we've been working on her room for the last couple of weeks, trying to put it all together, and so the door's been closed all this time. She's not allowed to go in it, but today she's so excited. She finally gets to see it, and I will show you guys her reaction, and also I'll give you a tour of the room and how it turned out. A baby girl.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. The time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up the way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Brooklyn, happy birthday, Brooklyn, happy birthday, Brooklyn. You're getting old, you're not as young as you used to be.
So Brooklyn loves crystals too, because I love crystals and she likes to be like me. So I got her some crystals, and I made her her very own elephant rock, Wannabe balanced elephant rock for her room. And then I got her some more crystals right here, just some little ones, little crystal display right there. She meditates with me too, it's so cute. Love this little Brooklyn star. There's a lot of stars because her middle name is Star, Brooklyn Star Escobar. So I got her a star pillow, star lamp. Happy birthday, Brooklyn. You missed the beginning of the song. I had it already. You're welcome. Well, happy birthday, Brooklyn. You're getting old. You like it, Brooklyn? Look, Dad put a new TV up for you. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Look, you got crystals.
Yeah. And she got
And what's with the
eyelashes too, right there. And that.
It's not Chinese.
Right there. And that.
That's Native American.
And a statue right here. A kitty cat statue.
You got
And,
statue. Let's do
and there's
Look at
a
this.
mirror. Hi, this is me
I'm gonna come
just
in
up
this
of
room.
this.
Mom, I'm gonna come in this room every night.
Oh, poor Tootsie.
Mom,
Yeah, she's so
I'm gonna
cute.
come in this room every night and just watch until we're
And
back in my room.
Okay.
no,
My TV's small.
Piggy.
Have you seen my
so
TV?
cute.
Take this. Find my sack of toys. Kill Legion in the elves. Go.
Alexa, turn off salt lamp. Happy birthday, Brooklyn.